To the beautiful cast of Cruise versus Cruise, rather, who is responsible for these beautiful outfits? Who are you wearing? Please do tell our audience.
Well, I am wearing this beautiful gown. This is a classic gown by Francis Libiran. And thank you so much. Hi, Francis. And then, yeah, I love what he did for this gown. Thank you so much. And
yes, me, I'm wearing a rich Salamea. Thank you also for my simple coat and tie.
Yes, ako naman po itong silk chrome gown by Filipino designer Vidal Clayton. And of course, Mama Ray de la Cruz for my hair and makeup.
And yes, before I let you go to enjoy the night, I would just like to give you this moment to invite everyone to watch Cruise versus Cruise since it's now showing.
yes, nandito na naman po kami para imbitahan kayong lahat dahil actually napakataas po ng aming ratings. Kaya maraming salamat mga kapuso. And ito po ay every 3:20 ang Cruise versus Cruise. Marami pa po kayong aabangan. Ayan.
Yes, mga kapuso, maraming sa lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng sumubaybay sa Cruise versus Cruise. At napakataas po ng rating namin. Ramdam na ramdam po namin ang suporta ninyo.
Yes, Kapuso Worldwide. Maraming salamat po. Okay lang yan, patuloy kayong magalit kay Hazel at patuloy niyong kaawaan si Manuel at patuloy niyong mahalin si Felma. Salamat po sa inyo.
Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Please enjoy the night.
Thank you.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.